In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create and manage company policies and procedures on Monday.com so your entire organization can stay organized, compliant, and up to date in one central place. Whether you're managing HR documents, IT security policies, or operational procedures, this setup will give you structure, visibility, and built-in automation. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Monday.com productivity guides. Now, let's jump in. The first step is to create a dedicated board for your policies. Inside Monday.com, click on Add, then select New Board. Name your board Company Policies and Procedures. This will be your central hub for everything related to internal documentation. Once the board is created, organize it using groups. Create groups such as HR policies, operations, IT and security, and compliance. These groups help you separate different departments and keep your board clean and easy to navigate as it grows. Next, let's add the key columns that will structure your policies. Start with a text column and rename it to Policy Title. This is where the name of each policy will go. Then add a long text column and label it Policy Summary. Use this area to write a short overview explaining what the policy covers. After that, add a Files column so you can upload PDF or Word documents containing the official policy files. Then include a Status column and customize the labels to Draft, Approved, and Needs Review. This allows you to instantly see the progress of each policy. Add a People column and rename it Policy Owner, so every policy has a clear person responsible for it. Finally, add a Date column labeled Last Updated, so you always know when the policy was most recently reviewed or modified. Now, let's talk about storing full policies using Monday Docs. Instead of keeping everything inside one long text field, you can create structured, collaborative documents. Click Add View and choose Docs. Create one doc per policy. This keeps each document detailed, formatted, and easy to edit collaboratively. To connect your docs back to your main board, use a Connect Boards column or simply attach the document using the Files column. This ensures every policy item on your board links directly to its full documentation. To properly manage revisions, you'll want to add version control. One simple way to do this is by enabling sub-items under each policy. Inside the sub-items, add fields like version number, change notes, date updated, and updated by. This gives you a clear revision history so you can track how policies evolve over time. Alternatively, you can add a numbers column on the main board for version tracking if you prefer a simpler structure. Either way, version control is essential for compliance and accountability. Now let's automate the process to save time and reduce manual follow-ons. Click on Automations at the top of your board. Add an automation that says, when status changes to approved, notify all employees. This ensures everyone is informed when a policy becomes official. Next, create an automation that says, when date arrives, notify policy owner. Set this date as your review date so policies are reviewed regularly. Finally, add an automation that says when a new file is added, set status to Needs Review. This keeps your workflow consistent and prevents unapproved documents from being overlooked. By setting up your board this way, you create a centralized, trackable, and automated system for managing company policies and procedures. Your team knows where to find documents, who owns each policy, when it was updated, and what stage it's in. This not only improves organization, but also strengthens compliance and operational clarity. And that's it. You now know how to create and manage company policies and procedures on Monday.com step by step. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tutorials and workflow optimization tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.